Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so let's solve this 2177. Find three consecutive integers that sum to give a given number. So given an integer num, return three consecutive integers that sum to num. If the num cannot be expressed as num of three consecutive integers, return an empty array. So 33 is 10, 11, 12. They are consecutive, 4 is not. So this problem should be very simple. The reason is that we can assume that the middle one is a, and the left is a minus 1, and the right is a plus 1. Okay, so total will be 3a. Okay, so if this is num, so if num is divisible by 3, then you just take num divided by 3, and the minus 1 and the plus 1 will give you the answer. On the other hand, if num is not divisible by 3, then you should return empty. So if num divisible by 3, return this, otherwise return this. So you see this number is very large, right? So this tells you that there should be some arithmetic way that you can directly get an answer. I think this problem is stupid, should be put as easy. Okay, but okay, see you guys next videos.